What's up guys, I'm Ross, your mattress expert from RealMattressReviews.com. Today I'm really excited to give you guys my first impression as we unbox the brand new Nectar UK mattress. So most of you probably know, if you've been looking for a mattress, I'm sure you've seen a lot of Nectar ads, at least in the United States. So now they've brought that over to the UK, and it's a little bit different. Here you're going to have a 10-inch mattress. Construction's a little bit different than the mattress here in the US. But I'm really excited to get it opened up. Nectar has rapidly grown into one of the biggest online brands here in the United States. So I'm assuming they're probably going to have a big impact on the UK market as well. So I'm really excited to get this thing popped open and to take a look at how the mattress feels, how I think it's going to perform. We'll talk briefly about the construction and maybe some of the differences between the UK mattress and the mattress here in the United States. So what I'll do first is we'll go ahead and get it popped open, and then we'll push on the foams. I'll lay on the mattress, give you guys my first impression when I see how the mattress feels, and then we'll talk a little bit about how this is constructed. Alright guys, I'll go ahead and get it opened up first. Alright guys, we've got it all opened up. I haven't laid on it or pushed on the foams yet at all. So we'll talk a little bit quickly about how it's constructed before I do that. So it's got an adaptive cooling cover. It's kind of cool to the touch, but you can see it's almost aerated. So it's going to allow really good airflow through that top cover. Underneath that cover, you've got a layer of memory foam and a second layer of memory foam. So those layers are going to be very supportive as well as very good for pressure relief. Each of those layers are a little bit different density, so you've got a little bit more comfort on top, a little bit more support underneath. And then the 7-inch foam core. So you've got a really interesting core. It's got grooves and channels. So it's got 7 different zones where it's going to provide a little bit softer feel where your shoulder is. So if you're side sleeping, you're going to have less force pushed back up on your shoulder area. Same thing in the hip area, and a little extra support where your lumbar would be on your lower back. So it's got all these different zones, which we'll kind of go over those a little bit more detail when I do the full review. We'll actually open it up and take a look at the inside too. So the mattress is a total of 10 inches thick. They offer the 365-night trial and the forever warranty, which is really awesome. And the double size comes in at $5.99. And right now, if you click the link down in the description, you can jump over to RealMattressReviews.com where you can get 100 off and 2 free pillows. So I'll go ahead now and we'll just push on the foams. So you've got kind of that true memory foam feel right on the top. It is a fairly fast reacting memory foam. I also had this stored out where it's cold, so it's going to be a little bit slower right now than when it's a little bit more warmed up. So overall, it's got it feels like really good foams on the inside. Nice solid foam core on the inside or on the base. So I'll go ahead and lay down and just kind of talk about what I'm feeling. So right when I lay down, I kind of sink in, the memory foam reacts nicely, kind of conforms here in my lumbar. I would say it's on the firmer side of medium, which I think is pretty common with a lot of UK mattresses to be medium, but on the firmer side of medium. But for me, at 210 pounds, the memory foam is going to provide good enough pressure relief where it's still going to feel good on my side. And then with the zones in that foam core, you're going to have less force push back up here where your shoulder would be, and here where your hip would be. You'll have better support, but the zoned core is going to help with side sleeping, even though this is a little bit on the firmer side of medium. When I lay here, everything feels good. My hip is sinking in without a lot of force pushing back up. My shoulder here, same thing. So I think that zoned foam core will certainly help with some of these other sleeping positions, especially side sleeping, on a little bit firmer mattress. It's got a really great feel. One thing I worry about a lot on 10-inch mattresses is whether or not they bottom out. This feels really durable. Foams are good on the inside. Kind of look at the edge support quick. So here where you would actually sleep, I'm not really getting that roll off the bed feeling whatsoever. If I actually move into where, a little bit more realistic, where I would sleep on this queen size, I don't have that roll off the bed feeling whatsoever. The Nectar mattress that I've reviewed for the US is still one of my favorite mattresses for pressure relief. The quality of their mattresses versus the price is really, really hard to beat anywhere in the industry. So you're gonna get a quality mattress that's priced extremely well compared to a lot of the brands that are on the market. If you are somebody seeking an all-foam mattress, that's going to work really good in all three positions because of that zoned foam core. If you're somebody seeking a medium, but maybe I would say a little bit on the firmer side of medium, this will work good for you. The foam mattresses are also going to have really good motion isolation. So if you're used to a traditional inner spring, you'll find that you're not going to feel as much motion transfer if somebody else is moving around in the bed. And then as I mentioned, Nectar is known for quality foams, quality material, quality build, but also coming in at a really, really affordable price. And that is no different here. The mattress, at first glance at least, feels like it has really good foams on the inside. The overall feel should appeal to most people. And then it comes in at that really good price. And then they also are known for their 1-year trials and their lifetime warranty. So it's a really good company overall to buy from. And I think the feel of this should appeal to most people, and the quality definitely seems like it's there. But we will do a full sleep trial on this as well, so stay tuned for that. For now, if you want, click the link down in the description. You can jump over to the full contextual review, as well as grab a coupon if you decide to give this mattress a try in the UK. Alright guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. Thank you and have a great day.